Hey everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. It's now over 2 weeks since Ian hit Naples and Southwest Florida really hard. I'm helping here in the corners with the disaster cleanup on a daily basis for a couple of hours every day, and it's quite exhausting. I'm officially done with the disaster cleanup and it feels so good to wear some clean clothes. And I wanted to pick up where I left off with my channel reviewing some creator gear. So I went to Cars and Coffee in the Mercato to take pictures to review a new camera lens. And if you're interested, this review will come out in a few days. There were so many people, and I think it was a very successful event because everyone was craving for a piece of normality in their lives. And suddenly this happened.
Hey, your videos were great.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, you recognize me. I'm Dirk. Nice to meet you all.
Hi, Dirk.
You did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
We sent your videos, links to your videos.
Oh,
to
this is
all
so
our
nice of you.
friends.
Thank you.
Yes.
That was great public service.
You really did a community service.
For the very first time ever, people recognized me in public, or let's say my channel, and to receive such positive feedback about my content felt really good. So, thank you guys. You definitely made my day. That was certainly something. I was not expecting this. I'm flattered. If you can't go to events and you're looking for other places to meet people, then Home Depot is definitely the place to go these days. Since last month I have about 600 new subscribers and I'm really grateful for that. And this motivated me to step up my game. I wanted to improve the audio quality on my channel. So I purchased stands, a USB audio interface and new studio monitors. And that's me completing my new setup. Of course, always with the help of my curious assistant Kiwi. So, and that's pretty much my new setup now. For me, it is a major improvement and I'm very happy about it. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog about the highlights of this week. And I want you to stay safe, stay well, and stay tuned. Bye for now.